Welcome to Eagle Eye Military.
Or 5 Bravo, and he's going to close with 14 Alpha.
Searching 13.
So you'll arm it, and then
Delta,
press fly
and then
manual,
back.
and it'll take off to this
And
one.
then you take contact by fire team.
Two joysticks will show up. Like one will circle
Force
here,
bigger
one
than
will
you can
circle
handle.
there.
It's calmer than
This one over here, when it does show up, you press forward, and that turns forward. And then when you start,
Is it still on it?
yeah, it's Randus USB.
They work the best when
He's going with them to...
Roger, please, gentlemen, taking a conscious but fading. Stay with me, bud. Hey, get his weapon! You have his weapon?
Hey, where's that guy with the radio? It just locked on. It had like one continuous long beep.
Right here.
Boy, hold it.
Corporal Saabir Adams, former 0311 at 3rd LER. Now I'm at Edison Range, combat marksmanship instructor.
Okay. And go ahead.
SAABIRADAMS. So this week has been about introducing new technology to infantry squads, and I am here to basically chauffeur the squads around and take them to their respective technologies and respective areas. It's important for the Marines to get their hands on this technology so that they can become more lethal and their survivability will increase a great amount. So a tech like the Reckless can be helpful. It provides QRF, and also it can be equipped with a CASEVAC platform, and also you're able to mount 3 weapons on there, so it will be enough security to get the casualty out of the kill zone back to the rear so he or she can get CASEVAC. Trucks like the Reckless can bring more firepower to the battlefield. So a normal infantry squad will be equipped with 1 240. That technology, you're able to mount 3 240s on there, so you'll be able to bring more firepower to the battlefield. So the technology being efficient down the line, it's capable of being very quiet, so you're able to move from point to point without being detected by the enemy due to our other vehicles like the Humvee and stuff like that. They make a good amount of noise. My overall experience with Marines interacting with the tech is pretty good. They're engaged in all the technology. They're giving good feedback to the technologists, telling them what they want, how it can be utilized, and different things like that, and ways to make it better. So I would tell my leadership that this is a good thing to do, and a lot of this technology, it can be very useful to certain mission sets. And if we had that technology, we would be better equipped to successfully complete each mission.
From around the world, easy to source, pretty low cost. Yep.
Plans for water for Marines. For every Marine expeditionary, maybe the first 6 hours to 3 days, I'm gonna think my punk ass being the company gunny can get this in a vehicle and move about. Yeah. I'm not okay.
Tastes better than future.
Lands in like, Middle Eastern city, and you're occupying a fog. So if you destroy that infrastructure,
You might maybe can hear the